Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we will be learning how to turn off haptic feedback in Brawl Stars game. If you want to disable haptic feedback on Brawl Stars, first of all, open up the Brawl Star game on your mobile device and make sure that you're in the home page. Once you're inside the home page logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you will see Haptic Feedback button. Tap on it to turn it off. Make sure that it is turned off. You will see an off button with a red mark in it, and once it turns off, you will not be able to feel any vibration during the game. So that's how you can easily do it if you are seeking a way to disable haptic feedback or vibration in Brawl Stars. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.